Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator Service video page. Today we will be talking about our griddle stand drain line cleaning. Before doing anything, make sure the unit is unplugged and powered down. We also recommend removing any and all prepared or packaged goods from the unit. First, locate the drain pan inside the unit. The drain hole should be at the end of the drain pan that is closest to the compressor or machine compartment. Next, remove any shelving that may be in the way. If you have a drawer, you can remove the drawer by pulling the red tabs on the side of the drawer slides towards you and rotating them up. Put some light pressure on the front of the drawer and pull the drawer towards you to remove it. From the back side of the unit, remove the rear cover and locate the drain line. Remove the line from the loop and empty any water left in the line into the condensate pan and inspect for any visible blockages. Blow compressed air into the drain line from the back side of the unit. Once cleared, you must place the remaining open end back into the condensate pan under or near the compressor. Once this is complete, clean any debris from the surrounding area and reinstall the rear cover. Clean up any residual debris from the surrounding area, ensuring that the interior drain pan is clear of any more foreign objects or debris. You can then begin reassembling the unit by reinstalling any drawers, drawer cages, and shelving you may have removed, and then reinstalling the rear cover. Call us at 800-523-7138 for any questions or visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com to learn more.